Students, I am teaching the subject GK, ठीक है, of class 2, ठीक है. Here is the lesson 2. Its name is domestic animals. First of all, you should know that what is domestic animals. Those animals we keep in our houses, that is called domestic animals. And why we keep the animals in our houses? Here is a reason. Because animals we keep in our houses because they are very beneficial for us. They gives us many things. For example, bullocks, cat, sheep, cow, horse, dog, hen and camels. These are the names of the animals, and this gives us things. What will they give us? First of all, bullock. Bullock is used to plow in the field. Cat is used to keep away mice from house. Sheep is used for giving wool, and cow gives us milk. Horse is used for riding. Hen gives us eggs. Dog guard our homes, and camel is used for carrying the loads. So there are many benefits from these animals. Due to this, we should keep these animals in our houses. So first of all, you should learn the names of the animals, and after that, what will they give us? Okay, you should have to write here. First of all, write the names of the animals and what will they give us. Here we should write the descriptions. Okay, if you have any type of problem, then you can write the comment in comment box. Okay, thank you. Morning students, I myself Ajay Kumar Gupta, and I am teaching you GK subject of class 3rd. Lesson number is 2 and topic is what am I. In this chapter, we should learn about the leaves. Here are the given clues for some leaves. You should identify about the leaf, what type of this leaf is. Here are the first of all, here are the given clues. First clue is some people worship me. Listen carefully. Some people worship me and used to treat cough and cold. This leaf is used for cough and cold, and people also worship it. Then you should guess what type of this leaf is. What is the name of this leaf is? Guess. This leaf is Tulsi. Its name is Tulsi, and it is used for treating cough and cold, and people also worship it. So you should write here Tulsi. Second clue is I am used for garnishing dishes. Garnishing dishes means decorating dishes and making chutney, which we eat in the food. And second clue is I am used for garnishing dishes and making chutney. I was talked of. You should guess what type of this leaf is. Listen carefully. Read carefully. I am used for garnishing. Garnishing dishes means decorating dishes and making chutney. I must talk of what is the name of this type of leaf? Coriander. Coriander is used for garnishing dishes and making chutney. Okay. And third clue is I am herb. Listen carefully. I am herb means jari with a different smell. It has a different smell. My leaves means its leaves are used to add flavor, and it is also used for adding flavor. So what type of this leaf is? what is the name of this leaf is? This leaf name is mint. Mint leaves. Yani mint leaves is for adding flavor, and it has also a different smell. Fourth is clue is iron used as a cure for various skin diseases. Its leaf is used for curing skin disease. So what type of this leaf is? Neem leaves. Neem leaves are used for curing various type of skin disease. So you should write here neem leaves. Fifth, I am large. Large means big. And waterproof and waterproof. I can be used for cooking, wrapping and serving food. It is used for wrapping, cooking and serving food, and also used for as a writing sheet. When there are no paper, it is also used for writing as a writing sheet. So its name is banana. Its name is banana. Okay, its name is banana. You should write here banana. You should write here banana. Okay. So in this chapter, first of all, you should write the description. You should write the clues and write here name of the leaves. Okay. Then if you any had problem, then you can write in the comment box. Okay. Thank you. Good morning, students. I am teaching the GK subject of class 2. Chapter number is 4 and topic is superheroes. In this chapter, we will learn about the superheroes. Here are the given clues, and you should guess which clue will write here. What will be write here the name of superhero? First clue is he can crawl on the walls of the high buildings. You should guess here which superhero can crawl on the walls of high building. Then you should write here a Spider-Man. In this picture, he is a billionaire. This is the clue, and you should guess here. He wears a suit of powers. So you should guess here which superhero can wears a suit of powers. Then Iron Man. You should write here Iron Man. In this clue, written here, he has many weapons but no superpowers. Means this superhero has many weapons but no superpowers. That is called Batman. Batman has many weapons but no superpowers. So you should write here Batman. Here is given the clue. He has a powering. He has a powering. This gives him control. So you should guess here which superhero have the powering that gives him control. Means Green Lantern. You should write here Green Lantern. He is also known as the Man of the Steel. You should guess here which superhero is also known as the Man of the Steel. Then Superman. You should write here Superman. He wears a red and gold suit. Super speeds makes him super powerful. Then you should guess here which superhero wears a red and gold suit and super speed makes him super powerful. Then you should write here Flash. So here are the pictures of some heroes and also given the clues. You should guess which clue belongs from which superhero. You can write in this thing in the copy like this. First, he can crawl on the walls of the high buildings. Then Spider-Man. He has many weapons but no superpowers. Batman. He is billionaire. He wears a suit of powers. Then Iron Man. He has a powering. This gives him control. Green Lantern. He is also known as the Man of the Steel. Superman. He wears a red and the gold suit. Super speed makes him super powerful. Then Flash. You should learn this You should learn these things, means superheroes and their clue also. And you can write this thing in the copy also. If you have any problem, then you can write the comment in the comment box. Okay? Thank you. Good morning students. I am Ajay Kumar Gupta. I am teaching the subject GK of class 3rd. Chapter number is 4 and topic is our wonderful body. In this chapter we will learn about a wonderful body. What is our body? Our body is like a machine. If the all parts of our body works properly, then we feel good, otherwise not. In this chapter, clue is given here. First clue is a liquid. Listen carefully. Is a liquid that flows our body. It carries food and oxygen to the whole body. Then you should guess here which thing is type of the liquid and that flows in our body and it carries food and oxygen. Then guess here. So you should write here blood. Blood is the liquid that flows in our body and it carries oxygen and food in the whole body. Second is the place of the human body where two bones meet. You should guess here what is that place called where two bones meet. Then joint. Joint is the place where two bones meet. That place is called joint. So you should write here joint. Here are the organs that help us to breathe. You should guess here which type of organ that helps us to breathe. Means lungs. You should write here lungs. Lungs are the organs that help us to breathe. And next, is the bony case which protect us our brain. So you should guess here. Good morning students. I am teaching you GK subject of class 2 and chapter number is lesson 2 and topic name is what animals eat. In this chapter we learn about many kinds of animals and what will they eat. Here are many kinds of animals in this world and they eat different types of food. Man also they eat different types of food. First of all, you should know that why should we take food? What is the necessity for taking food? What is the benefit for taking food? We should take food. It is very important because food gives us energy for doing any type of activity. So also animals take food for growing and get energy. So we all take food. Here are the names of the list of animals and their food. First of all, dog. Example, what dog eats? Dog eats bone. What cat eats? Cat eats milk. What rabbit eats? Rabbit eats carrot. What elephant eats? Elephant eats sugarcane. What horse eats? Horse eats grass. What chimpanzee eats? Chimpanzee eats insects. So here are the names of the animals and here are the names of foods of these animals. You should also write these things in the copy. Okay? Then you should understand it carefully. What is given here? If you any type of problem, then you can write in the comment box. Okay? Thank you.